I said, my little sister's birthday was yesterday. My dad, my stepmom, little cousins. All my little cousins, they friends. My Aunt Pete. Everybody, man, I would just start naming names and shit, but it'll turn some real hood shit up here. But I see y'all too, though. Make some noise for yourselves. How many of y'all been rocking with Taylor Gang since day one? Make some noise. How many of y'all helped crash the internet when Taylor Autodice dropped? That's what's up, man. That's the true meaning of Taylor Gang or die. And that's TG. So when I say TG, y'all say OD. Do me a favor. TG. TG. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, man. And y'all been supporting us, man. Y'all gonna keep riding with us, right? Me, Chev, Juicy, Lola, Courtney, Tukey, Cardo, Sledge, everybody. Cushion Orange Juice. Y'all gonna keep riding with us, right? Hey, stop telling them to get down, man. If they want to hold each other up, man, they should be able to hold each other up. Fuck that shit, yo. Niggas can't smoke weed in here. We gotta be able to show love some way. Fuck that shit. How old are y'all? Stop telling them to do that. Y'all supposed to be on our side. Y'all look like about our age. Cut that shit out. Ain't hurt nobody. You got a Young Wild and Free t-shirt on, you tell them to chill out. You look crazy. Let's go.
All my fellas out tonight, all my fellas in here, make some noise right now.
Everybody put them peace signs up, let them know we come in peace, man.
Where my ladies at? Ladies, make some noise right now. And if you smoke that good motherfucking weed, make some noise right now. Hey, 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 hey. Get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands up. Come on, get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands up. Come on, when I say TG, y'all say OD, TG, TG. When I say TG, y'all say OD, TG, TG,
I don't chase them, I duck them, smoke something, go to what who's face soon as I fuck them. Niggas be pressed with pussy, ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who that bitch fucking, why don't you get you some money? 9 times out of 10 she see me stunting. Ain't running, wanna know my hotel and who's on the ring when she coming. I keep it on honey, like it's up from the hole, but it's money over bitches, nothing above it. Hey, like the weed, loud like my engine when I speed up. Bitches holding they weed, rolling trees with their pretty feet up. Them suckers all been imitate, but they can't beat us. So super high up in the sky when you a city, bruh. Cut my speakers up, drowning out what the critics say. Just continue to smoke and remain G as fuck. Polo socks, match my